Hi guys! Today we're going to teach you how to add your own calligraphy to your wedding stationery of choice using Canva. You've probably read on a blog already how to discover your own calligraphy style. Now let's see that in action. Take note that for this example, we just did a regular monogram just to show you the process, but ultimately we know you'll make a better one. Let's do it! Start by logging into your Canva. You can create a free account, although note that to remove the background you need the pro account. Start by looking for a wedding invitation design of your choice. Once you find it, you will need to play around with the existing design to make space for the monogram edition. So here we are moving the names out of the box and moving it lower. You can adjust the size and spacing as you desire. Then upload your monogram. Again, you have to make sure that you do it on a white paper so you can remove the background easier. Once you've uploaded it, you can now remove the background and adjust everything accordingly. Enjoy guys! Bye!